Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my studio. So my daughter Nico tried to organize her side of the studio. She just uploaded the video and do check it out. The link is on top. If you are into custom gunpla and gunpla diorama, do subscribe to my daughter's channel. Today I share with you 3 smart ways to organize your growing paint collection. Woodland elves, or I mean wooden shelves, are the usual way of organizing your paint collection. There are also some MDF stuff. There are well-priced ones or reasonably priced ones and crazy priced ones. Important to note that drawers are paint killers, so don't use drawers. They're great for your airbrushes, magazines, or my book. Rolling racks are really nice because they're like the fine arts way of organizing paint tubes and paints because they're easily accessible and you could place whatever you like on them. Now here are 3 smart ways how to organize your paint collection. Simple plastic trays. I got this from like surplus shops, like the Japanese surplus shops, and I'm not sure what they're for, but I use them to organize my paints. Sometimes I use them to like put them on the racks. It's easier to pull one tray than to get multiple paints or colors when you're painting a model. So I organize the paints based on the colors. I have greens and the blues and the reds. And the only problem with these trays is that they eat up desk space. So if you have another desk on the side, these are perfect options for you. I think I have mild OCD though. My daughter told me it's actually not that mild. I even have a tray for auxiliary paints, and the thinner I even have a small bottle of water. It depends on your personality, but an organized workbench makes me more productive. Second on our list on how to organize your paint collection are PVC pipes. I use a 3/4 inch adapter here. It has like a sort of stopper so that the paint won't go through the pipes. You have to design this a bit because you won't have like a stand for it, so I use the actual pipes as a stand. Also, I highly advise that you let the blue cement cure for at least a day. Last in our list are lipstick holders. Cosmetic organizers or lipstick holders are really great because they're made of acrylic and they're very strong. I only have 4 of these though, so I have the rust paints or the weathering paints, my Fab weathering paints, and also my leather paints. I also have my soil paints or groundwork paints, and then my purples. Make sure that the lipstick holders that you get will fit your paint bottles because I have a few sets that won't fit my Vallejo paints. The lipstick holders are not very tight, so it's easy to get the paints from them. Also, they have like compartments at the middle so that you could place brushes together with your paints, but I do have a separate cup for my brushes. That's it, we're done. I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining the channel so that you'll be part of our Discord community. Saludos!